Hi everybody, I'm Jerry here with the Happy Hootie, here to save you time and money. And if you are one that wants to up your tennis game, this guy right here may save you that money as opposed to paying for personal and private lessons, because this is the smart tennis ball launching system that only weighs about 32 pounds. It's on wheels and can easily collapse down to about half this size to fit in the back of pretty much anybody's car or SUV. Does have a nice external battery that can easily disconnect so that you can take this inside, and once it is charged up, that sucker is going to run for 5 hours. Hopper holds over 100 tennis balls. I've got about 40 of them loaded in here right now just to kind of show you this, and I'm loving the fact that it's smart in the fact that it runs off of an app. So with this app, you actually can control everything up to 75 miles an hour, change the frequency of the shot, you can change the speed of the ball, you can even change the spin, or you can set it up to hit any particular spot on here to where it can adjust and aim for you, or hit a random one and hit 20 different locations on any tennis court. So if you're going to play by yourself, you could easily set this up and do it. I've got a couple of kids out here. I'm going to go ahead and push start, hit it on random, and I'll kind of show you what this can do as it adjusts and starts firing some tennis balls to let them get some practice out on the court. If you're with multiple people and you're wanting to do it, you can even crank up the frequency, and like I said, hit this thing up to 75 miles an hour. So I'm going to crank up the frequency just to let it start rocketing some balls out there to let them get some practice. So this will work on forehand, backhand, any kind of thing that you're wanting to work on. And again, with that optional spin option on there, you can really get a professional workout trying to use this at your own personal court without having to pay for that personal trainer. So if you find content like this helpful, please feel free to like and subscribe, and we'll see you here again next time.